people, you know what it is. You see it in the title. About to do my first unboxing on this channel. Some came in the mail today. These boxes.
Boy, if you don't get...
I think that would have worked if I started off with that. But anyway, about to unbox my first nerd block up in this place. And because it's my first time with these guys, they sent me a welcome box as well. This comes for free. And yeah, if you guys see anything you like in this box and think, ooh, let me get, I want one of those. I'll put the link in the description for the website, and so you can subscribe, you know. And over here in London, anyone watching from London, it's like 20 quid, £20. I think that's, how much is that over there in America? I think that's like $30, 31. So I don't know, but yeah. Yeah, it's like 20 quid a month. And you don't have to do every month. You could just do like, could just do it for 1 month only, and you know, yeah. And then cancel it anytime. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's open this welcome box first. Oh, I didn't even need this. Woo! I'm big excited. I ain't looking in the box. This is the welcome box. So, what's in there? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, okay. Let's see what these people came with. Nice. This is a Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I'm about to say Hunter. And I got Spike, a Titans vinyl figures. Ooh, look at that. Boom. Boom. You seen that? Right? I don't know if it's too close or not. Spike. And you can also get Buffy and Angel. This is awesome, man. This is really, hey, boy, hey. I'm gonna put that up in my room. Got some. What's a shirt punch variant. Ooh, what is it? An exclusive. Ooh, exclusive. We'll do that one last because it's exclusive, isn't it? Okay, so what's it? A kick punch. Oh, a magnet. Kick punch magnet. That's that old game that years ago, probably before I was born, long, but I still know about it. A horror block exclusive. It's a, what is this? Is it? Oh, it's a, what? Fits most, oh, so you can put your key in it. You can put your key in it. That's pretty cool though. Look at that, boy. Okay. Oh, yeah, you put your key. Look at that, boy. Jeez. That's nice. That's dope. That's dope. What else is in there? Classic console cartridge coaster. Oh, so coasters. Hey, no one can put no friggin' drink ring on my tables now. Got the classic console cartridge coasters. And then notice that. Imagine saying that more than once. Classic console, blah blah blah. Classic console cartridge coaster. Never mind, but they are cool. What else is there? Oh, this is just what's welcome to the Nerd Block family. Well, thank you. And these are the other subscriptions. They got the Nerd Block, Arcade Block, Horror Block, and and Comic Block. Yo, right there. The Nerd Block, the original Comic-Con in a box, continues to bring fans the best nerdy surprises based on today's most popular entertainment franchises. The Arcade Block, video game fans receive a monthly dose of surprises based on popular modern franchises as well as treats from nostalgic retro titles. The Horror Block, fans of genre horror receive terrifying monthly surprises with products based on new and classic franchises. Ooh, and the Comic Block, monthly surprises for fans of superhero franchises and graphic novels that includes exclusive variant cover comics. Oh, and they got Nerd Block Junior for boys and girls. Nerd Block Junior line offers today's busy parent a reliable and affordable treat for children, delivering the best toys and treats every month. Ooh, dope, innit? Okay, welcome to the Nerd Block family. We're so excited you've decided to join Nerd Block. Please accept this gift as our way of welcoming you to our family. Inside this special welcome block is a sampling of some of the sweet items from across our offering of blocks that we send out every month to our Nerd Block family of subscribers. Just wait until you see what's coming soon in your subscription. Ooh! So now, that's everything else. Now let's open this exclusive item. Ooh. Is it, what is it? Is it, can't be is it a bracelet? If it is, boy, this ain't fitting around my hands. Look at this. Nope, but I don't know what it is. I don't think it is. I think, oh, you just play with it. Okay. That's cool. That's something to do when like you're bored and you're just like watching TV, like boom. Yeah, but that is cool. I'm gonna sneeze. Nope. But yo, that was the welcome box. And see all this cool stuff that I got? Hey, but you know what time it is? Oh yeah, bam! And this was actually kind of heavy, you know. But yo, here's the main one, the Nerd Block. What? I don't. Oh, okay. Be careful, boy. Don't want to cut my hand. Okay, that was easy. Ooh, move the knife out of the way. And again, you guys can see it first. Woo! Is it looking good? Is it looking good? Yo, okay. What is this? Danger high voltage one. Is a okay. Ooh, it's Ghostbuster related. That's all that. Is it? Yeah. Go. We got Slimer from Ghostbusters, the goat. Slimer, look at him. And this is like I'm guessing this is kind of like a lunch box, but designed to look like the Ghostbusters machine that they catch ghosts in. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know, but yeah, and obviously Slimer's in there. So yeah, that's cool. Got like a free toy as well. Hey, that's dope. I like me some Ghostbusters. But yeah, that's the first gift. The ooh, Put that down there. We'll do that one last. What's this? A coaster of kings. We got some more coasters, but this time I think it's related to Game of Thrones. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know. I think so, maybe. A coaster of kings. See that? Oh, pretty cool, man. This man's got more coasters, so no one can make any mess on my table. Star Wars coming to a Nerd Block Classic next month. Oh, this is next month's one. Just giving you a little tease what next month's. It's not even a tease, it's basically telling you Star Wars related. A Rubik's Cube stress ball. Ah! That's pretty. This is me be like next month waiting for my next Nerd Block. I'll be like, where the f are they? Where the flip are they? But yeah, that's dope. Got something to squeeze now when I'm stressed. What's this? This is what tells us what's in there. And postcards. Awkward family postcards. Oh wow. See, look at that. Oh wait. It's awkward, isn't it? Oh wow. So for her boy. Yeah. The one in the middle. Yo. Oh wow. Just look at that. Look at that. As well, they're wearing denim upon denim. Can't be doing them right there, boy. Oh, I'm sweating, boy. But yeah, that's just like a few of the many in here. Oh wow, okay. But yeah, send some people some awkward postcards right there. And of course, we've got the t-shirt that they give you every month. And this is just a stuff, okay, this is what's in there. Yeah, it's a lunchbox, I knew it. Ghost traps aren't just for focused, non-terminal, repeating phantasms. Did you know you can also use this to carry your lunch or whatever you'd like? This is one trap you should stare directly into because it's got some good stuff inside. Yeah, it's got the Slimer toy. Okay. Exclusive, a coaster of kings. Nothing beats the summer heat like a nice, refreshing cold beverage. And now you have new sets of coasters to protect your tables with. Rubik's Cube, Stress Cube. Sometimes summer events can get you stressed. Total bummer. They're supposed to be the exact opposite. If you're feeling stressed, give this a squeeze. Awkward family photo cards. Summer is a time for family and sending postcards. And this booklet combines both those things in the most awkward way possible. Exclusive Slimer plush. Those with the courage to let this ghost out of his trap will find his delightfully cute and cuddly version of everyone's favourite green spud, Slimer. And finally, who you gonna call? The exclusive t-shirt is just for Nerd Block subscribers. Love this shirt? Check out shirtpunch.com for 4 great unique pop culture tees every single day. I'll put that in the description as well. So if you just want the t-shirts, yeah, look at that, look at that. And they ask you what size you want, and I got mine in my size. You know what time it is? It's time for catwalk time. Hey, gonna strut off this t-shirt. Let's go.
Don't say that. Girl, I my everything. But now you say you wanna take off. Please don't go, we don't wanna break up. And I realize I say you are the one for me. Oh no no no, you're the only one nice. So why you wanna do like this, baby girl? Let's really no one similar. Sweet steps all like vinegar.
Pretty cool. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! But yeah, that was it. That's everything in my nerd block. Welcome pack and in the main nerd block. If you thought any of that was cool. Yep, the start this. But yeah, if you thought any of that was cool, and you thought, oh, I might want some cool stuff like that, hit up the nerd block in the description below. 20 quid for 1 month only. For 1 month only. If you're in the UK, and I don't know how much it is over in America or other countries, but you should probably check it out, man. Because look at this cool stuff I got, man. You know you want that. You know. But yeah. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description for that. And if you just want the shirt from Shirt Punch, I'll put that link in the description as well. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unbox, my first ever unboxing on this channel. Well, it's not because I done my camera the other time, but my first, unboxing. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe, and yeah, share this with your homies and your homegirls. And yeah, I said yeah how many times? I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it, 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 months ago, go, 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 gave it, go, 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 gave it, go, 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 gave it, go, 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 gave it, go, and you feel like, and you falling, 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 falling down.